Today is 8th May and you are watching RizingTV. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. The first story is, Parseable has raised $2.75 million in a seed funding round led by Peak 15. Founded in 2022 by Nitish Tiwari, Parseable specializes in managing, storing, and analyzing large volumes of log data using cloud technology. The investment will be used to enhance the company's ability to manage the escalating volumes of log data produced by modern digital enterprises, Parseable said in a statement. The second story is, GreenCell Mobility has raised 307 crore rupees from Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation. The financing has been raised for 350 electric buses in UP. GreenCell Mobility integrates and develops connected platforms and e-mobility infrastructure for the operation of intercity commercial transport using electric buses and commercial vehicles. The third story is, Privateer has raised $56.5 million and has also acquired the analytics firm Orbital Insight. Founded in 2021 by Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, it is a space data startup and helps satellite operators navigate in Earth's increasingly crowded orbit. Privateer's acquisition will expand its offerings after revenue prospects in the Space Situational Awareness (SSA) market were limited, Fielding said. The fourth story is, Lendingkart has raised $10 million led by Blue Orchard Fund. Founded in 2014 by Harshvardhan Lumia, Lendingkart make working capital finance available at the fingertips of entrepreneurs, so that they can focus on business instead of worrying about the gaps in their cash flows. At Lendingkart, we see this investment as a testament to our unwavering dedication to support Indian MSMEs. Harshvardhan Lumia, founder and CEO of Lendingkart Group, said. The fifth story is, Client Associates has raised about 300 crore in its maiden funding round. Founded by Himanshu Kohli and Rohit Sarin in 2002, Client Associates offers professional services for private wealth management. The fund seeks to build a strong portfolio with 12 to 15 companies, intending to invest between rupees 10 to 50 crore per company. The sixth story is, InCred raises 330 crore in its first close of its inaugural private equity fund, IGPFI. The successful first close of IGPFI, InCred's Growth Power Fund, is a testament to our strong track record and the trust placed in us by our investors. Vivek Singla, Managing Partner and CIO Private Equity, InCred Alternatives. The seventh story is, Cornext has raised around $2.2 million in a seed funding round from Omnivore. Founded in 2015 by Madhav Kshatriya and Feroz Ahmed, Cornext's technology makes compact 50 kg silage bales, which are sold to dairy farmers through a network of village-level fodder entrepreneurs. According to Cornext, the funds will be used to ramp up its yearly silage production to 1 million metric ton by 2026 and invest in R&D in baling technology. The eighth story is, BharatRohan has raised $2.3 million in its IPO round from Wilgrow Innovation Foundation, Caspian, Revex, and Venture Garage. Founded by Rishabh Chaudhary and Amandeep Pambar in 2016, agritech firm BharatRohan currently supports 50,000 farmers covering 2 lakhs acres in 5 states with its advanced drone-based decision support system, DSS, known as BharatRohan Crop Assure. The proceeds will be used on developing proprietary edge computing drones specifically for precise crop monitoring and variable pesticide application, the firm said in a press release. The ninth story is, InCred raises $1.2 million in a seed funding round from DSG Consumer Partners and others. Founded by Mohammad Patel, Poojan Shah, Fazal Lakhani, and Akash Mehta, InCred's product portfolio consists of hard luggage, backpacks, and handbags. The proceeds will be used to ramp up InCred's existing product line, expand its team, strengthen its distribution network, and boost its innovative portfolio.